All right, let's have a look at another AI magic tool from FlexClip. So in this one, we're going to generate a script from an existing video. I'm going to just go into one of my projects and maybe I'll just use our wedding video again. So it's in here and I'm going to go under Tools, and this time I'm going to generate an AI video script. And then it just wants to know what kind of script do we want to generate. And if we don't know what we want to do, we can also use examples. Generate a trending Instagram news post about releasing discount codes for Christmas. Okay, how about a trending Instagram news post about planning your wedding? All right, generate. Duration, short, medium, or long. Generate. All right, actually, you know what? Look at this. It basically made a little script for us that has nothing to do with my video. Close-up shot, beautiful wedding invitation being designed. Narrator, plan your dream wedding. Stay tuned for some trending tips on Instagram. Fast motion of video of wedding dress shopping and cake tasting. Wedding planning pro tips. Start early and book your vendors in advance. All right, this is great. So actually, you know what? I am not attached to this video at all. I'm just gonna get rid of everything. And I'm going to click, now that we have the AI video script, I'm going to say AI to video. Generate. Okay, that time it did it. So it took our script and it generated this. And here, before we do anything to add it to timeline, you can edit anything that you'd like. I'm going to just go with what it made for us. It looks like it's just a few seconds long. Add to timeline. How awesome is this? Cool, and it even has text, and it looks like they've added some music. Wow. Ready? Wow, amazing. So it actually can generate the script for you, and then you can take the script and turn that into the template for a new video, which you can then go in and edit. You can change the sound, you can change the voices, the text, the subtitles, the imagery, put in your own stuff. Mwah, voila. So so many great ways to get set up for video in here. Wonderful. All right, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.